What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can contact Etsy customer support. Now Etsy is not like eBay. On eBay you can easily take like their phone number and then you can call them directly, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make Etsy like reply to your email quickly. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to scroll down at the bottom and you want to find here something called like help center. Okay, click on that and make sure you log in into your account before you click on help center. And after that, what you guys need is if you are shopping with it on Etsy, you are just a shopper, you are buying from Etsy, you want to just select here shopping on Etsy and scroll down and click on contact Etsy support. But if you are a seller, you are selling on Etsy, maybe your account has been deleted or it got suspended or due to any reason, you want to click on selling with Etsy and then scroll down and click on contact Etsy support. Now after you click, guys, on contact Etsy support, you will ask you guys, what can we help you with? Buying on Etsy or selling on Etsy. If you are a seller, click on selling on Etsy, and then for example, if your account is suspended, select that. For example, managing orders, you want to click on that, and you want to click, for example, cancel, refund, return, or something like that. After that, you want to click on I still need help, and then click on email us, and then you will be able, guys, to send just at the subject here what your problem. My account, for example, is suspended, and description: hi, my Etsy account, for example, Etsy account got suspended, please, I need help, or something like that. So we need help, thank you. Okay, and then order number. So for this, we selected a problem with the product. That's why they are asking us for order number. But if you are selecting my account is suspension, they are not going to send to you don't need to add the order number here. And then click send, and that's it. I've clicked on send now. You don't even have to add the order number if you are just contacting them for some order. If you have a problem with on order, as you can see, it says here, my account suspended, your request was successfully submitted. So you just need to wait, guys. Make sure you check your email, and then they will contact you guys within a few days. Okay, sometimes they contact you within a few hours. See you guys next video. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.